Hi traders, in today's video I am going to talk about prop trading because when I started coding robots and I started this whole business, I started trading, I've never seen like online prop trading in advertisements, and traders didn't come up to me and ask me about prop trading, about prop trading EAs, if my EAs can pass prop trading challenges, if they can use my EAs with a certain prop firm that allows news trading but doesn't allow weekend trading, and where the trades has to be closed at like 4% of drawdown and at 1% daily drawdown. All these data that I get hundreds of messages in a week about is crazy. And right now, compared to when I started years ago, there is a insanely huge surge in interest in prop trading. When I started, everybody was trading on their own account, and it is so interesting to see this shift to the online prop trading industry. And there are dangers because traders are not prepared to for online prop trading. They just think that it is an industry, it is a job changing opportunity for them, where they don't have to learn, they will just get a huge amount of money to trade with. It is not the truth. And I want to tell you some top tips how to avoid blowing your prop trading account over and over again. And the number one tip is time limit, because most prop traders are choosing the fanciest prop firms that have the biggest advertisements and the biggest marketing budgets, and those prop firms usually are the worst in my opinion, because they usually don't allow traders to hold trades over the weekend, to trade during news, to hold trades even overnight. If you are a swing trader or a trend trader, you are eliminated from the challenge. The number one mistake I see is people choosing these wrong prop firms that have like these crazy time limits, like you have to make like 180 trades and you have to pass our challenge in 1 month, and you have to make 10% gain. That is absolutely crazy. If you take a look at huge traders, hedge fund managers, they make like 20% gain per year, and that is great. Choose challenges that allow you to pass like in 6 months or 12 months. And those are the challenges, those are the prop firms that want traders for as long-term hedge fund and long-term managers, basically. That is good. The other thing, I think it will be a shorter video, but if you are interested in this topic in more detail, just let me know and I will make more videos. So the other thing that I see is so interesting to me, it's kind of sad. It is that traders complain about the prop firms that are actually legit prop firms, in my opinion, that are only allowing a small leverage. Traders complain that they don't allow like 1 to 100 leverage. And I'm asking, what the fuck you want to do with that amount of leverage? Because if your prop firm allow you to have a drawdown of 1% daily and a full maximum drawdown of like 5 to 10%, why would you want to trade with 1 to 100 leverage? You will use a high lot size, a way higher lot size than you should, and you will lose your prop trading account in one day. I see like traders lose their prop trading accounts because of this leverage thing, because they choose prop firms with high leverage in just 1 or 2 days. And I think these prop firms allow these leverages, not all the time, but in many cases, because they just want to collect the challenge fee, and that is basically their whole business idea, that the challenge fee is enough to maintain the business, because everybody is dreaming about being a prop trader, but it is hard work and it is patience. It is a lot of patience. If you found this video interesting, subscribe to the channel, and you can see all the robots and all the services I provide in the description. Ciao.